Hey guys, we're going to teach you how to take these hairpin legs, put them on a piece of wood, and you can create some nice, classic, and clean modern furniture for your house. So, supplies that we're going to need today. We'll need these hairpin legs. I'll put the link in the description. This is that goes to my Amazon store. You can get that from. And of course, you'll have your piece of wood or whatever you have that you want to put these onto. And of course, the tools that we're going to be using to put on here is I got a couple of power drills. I got a drill bit. And I also have, like, for drilling the hole, pre-drill, and then we also have our drill bit for our screws. And of course, you're going to want a measuring tape. And optional thing, but is nice, is something to create a hole to have your pre-drill. And of course, the only other thing you need for that is the screws that come with the legs, and you're good to go. So let's go ahead and jump right over, and I'll show you all how to put this together in about 5 minutes. Let's go. All right, let's get these hairpin legs on here. So, a couple things I want to just kind of talk about. So, these hairpin legs that I have on my Amazon store. So, these screws actually go past the depth of my wood. This is the 1-inch piece of pine top. So, if you have a thicker piece of wood, you're going to be just fine. But what I had to end up doing was change up my screws. So, I went with a shorter one, just like this, so that it will not go through the other side or the top of my piece of wood, and I'll have to fix that. So I exchanged my screws out for these. Whenever I want to measure this in place, and I already have my other ones in place, I'm going to go 1 inch, and I'm going to work here, and then get this there. And then I'm going to come on my other side over here on this other end, and push through, and I'm at 1 inch there. I'll come back, make sure I'm still at 1 inch. I am. So now I'm perfect. And then my corner will be lined up with my corner as well. Before I use my drill, and I want to use the drill bit and pre-drill first because I don't want to split the wood. I'm going to use this little tool I get at Harbor Freight. You can get these on Amazon as well. But I'm going to go through at the center, and I'm going to put a hole. Essentially, it's like using it as a center punch. And this hole that I'm making here is going to be directly center to the circle. And then I can remove the hairpin leg. I'm going to use my drill bit. Before I go and drill, I want to make sure that the depth will not go through the wood. It will not. If your drill bit's longer than this, use a piece of painter's tape, and you can put the depth on your drill bit, and then you won't go through. And I don't have to go all the way through, but I find the little pinned holes that I have, and then I'm going to drill down. And I'll go ahead and pre-drill all of these. And the last one here. All right. And then I have my Phillips head drill bit ready to go here on my other drill. You can use a screwdriver if you have to. And you don't necessarily have to pre-drill. I like to pre-drill because if you've ever drilled or put a screw in and then you ended up splitting the wood, you avoid that by having a pre-drill. So now we'll get our screw here and get this one in. Oh, and I haven't drilled that one in, so I might want to go ahead and just put that down for a second. We don't want it to fall because we don't want to have to repaint those legs. All right, now I'll get this one in. All right, so those are in there. I got 2 more screws to put in, but the problem is I can't get to them. I can't get the screw in this area. So what I'm going to do is I have a product that's in my Amazon store. It's this product right here. I love it. It's my drill bit elbow. And I'm going to put my drill bit right in here. And now I have my screw ready. And now I will be able to get this in there without having a problem. Kind of get that started. Get some leverage. There we go. And we got one more. We'll get this one in there as well. It's always harder on camera. I have an angle of my body weird. Come on, little guy, get in there. You guys in the comments be like, come on, dude. Get this thing screwed in there. All right, there we go. All right, let me move my arm around so I can get some leverage. The hardest thing about using these things is getting leverage in these tight places. Come on. All right, so, ooh, we were hitting a knot. That's why it was so tough. We're hitting a knot there. All right, another thing that you can use too, and this actually would have been probably easier in that situation because we were actually drilling through a knot, they also make these, which are a snake. These are a little bit easier because you have a little bit more room. I could have held my hand down like this, and I could have screwed down. But I'll put both of these products in the description if you're interested in getting those. But anyways, that's how we get those hairpin legs in there. And it's nice, solid, and sturdy. I got one more to put on, and then we'll look how great this thing looks when it's done. All right, we got our table all set up right here. And of course, we got our wonderful cardinal ready to go. This thing looks awesome. So hopefully you found this video very helpful. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you do so. And of course, like it and share it with somebody because who doesn't want one of these beautiful things in their house? Thanks for watching.